Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your LG AC that beeps but does not turn on. So if your LG AC beeps, that usually a good sign. It means that the indoor unit is receiving the remote signal, but something is preventing it from basically starting. So in order to fix it, you need to start by checking the mode and the temperature settings. So on top of your AC, you should see the snowflake icon. And if you see the snowflake icon, it means that you are currently on the cool mode. And if you are on the cool mode, you can just simply use the temperature down button in order to basically lower the temperature a few degrees below the current room temperature. If the set temperature has already been reached, the compressor won't start. So you just have to simply do this. Then you need to also go back and you need to take a look at the display panel. If you see any kind of lights that are flashing or any kind of error code that is flashing, it means the air conditioner has entered into the protection mode. So make a note of the code before restarting the unit. So once this is done, what you need to do next is you just have to simply restart your AC, and for that you just have to turn it off, and then you just have to basically leave it as it is for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can basically turn it back on again. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is now working properly again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.